Alright, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, thank you for coming. My best people work with Fahmi Hanifa, but I'm very totally appreciate but but I say just invite you here, but like sharing a lot about English, we're sharing for a tourism future for tourist guys exactly, but and girls, but alright. Talking about my experience this year, 15 months, like last year, and then like 2 years ago, 5 years ago, but every single 15 months, but I focus for like increase, I focus for learning Spanish exactly, and then exploring the language. Every single time, every single day, I focus for increase that, memorizing the vocabulary, every single that. But my experience like big day, Idul Fitri, I'm very totally happy, but or I'm glad now because I invite the best teacher world, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa, to join with me when home my village Sigli exactly. I watching, but like Chinese people create Chinese channel, right? Exactly, create by 7 or 10 meter drums, but drums, but we call that carbe, right? Yeah, I can't imagine that exactly, in my life. At a time 2011, the time, but I the first time in my life watching that, but this very totally awesome than before the time. But this year it's not like 11 years ago, but 2011 time, what even though at the time I one of committee, but a committee in that agenda, I focus for to supply not only food but also like water, cakes, but preparing for dinner at a time, doesn't leave at a time. So even though I have to make a little bit, a recording, like I upload in YouTube film, but I focus, I spoke like Spanish or English, and then I spare for my friend work, right? Because this is our culture. This culture very totally awesome. You couldn't imagine that. You never find it like this in your life exactly, but even though in world, right, not only United States, United Kingdom, Australia, but also including Indonesia, Asia, you never find like this. This very totally awesome, but only the suns, the exploding, but almost 25 kilometers from that location exactly. From Kampung Are, Kampung Are village, but from the Benteng, including Kampung Saka, including, can you imagine that, like Lamlawa, Brunun, including like how to say Kemananjung. Those people can hear that explosion. Can you imagine how much kilometer from that location, from to like Kemananjung, almost 20 kilometer or 10 kilometer. They can hear that how big, how did that sound. Alright, this is my experience. This is very awesome. So I hope I can join with that next year. I focus for Rube. I have to recording in Rube exactly, but it's the more important thing in my life. I focus for to promote our culture exactly. Alright, that's my time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Any question?